Hi, grade 2 Egyptian syllabus. Today I will continue the new syllabus, lesson 3 and lesson 4. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class, I start the new syllabus, grade 2, lesson 1 and 2. Today I will resume lesson 3 and lesson 4. Then I end from Unit 1 in your in your syllabus book. Let's go to our lesson today. Today we have new syllabus, new words here in this part or in this lesson, which is classroom objects. I think we talked about classroom objects before. Here we have board, we have here pencil case, we have window, ruler, bag, door, and eraser. Eraser in American, and we have the British is rubber. We say rubber, but here we know as eraser. I will write it as eraser. So here we have board. We have here pencil case. We have window. We have ruler. We have bag, and we have door and eraser. Let's go to another item here. I would like to have paper and pencil and write these words to keep it. Okay, it's important to keep the vocab grade 2, because if we have missing letters or arrange of the word, we must keep the vocab. Here we say, what is this? So here I ask about something is near for me. Here is say this is an eraser. What is this? We can say, for example, what is this? We can say, for example, pencil case. What is this? This is it, a board, for example. So here we say, when I ask about something, sorry, when you ask about something, I answer, this is A. We say here, this is what I write here, this is a ruler, for example. Or say here, this is the bag, for example. This is a board, for example. Okay. So here I write the something that in front of me. Okay. Let's go to another one here, to another item. I think the new syllabus is not difficult. We took it before. We took something like that before. The changes is not difficult. I think this is an easy syllabus that we teach it, that we taught. I think we take take these things before in contact. So it's not difficult to understand the new syllabus. Let's go to another one here. Choose and write the correct answer. What is this? Okay, what is, oh sorry, here's that because is talk about something is far from me. It will be that is a door. What is that? It's that is a board. So I select this one. This is what? This is a bag. This is a bag. This is what? This is an eraser. Okay. So here we know the things that selected here. Let's go to another item here in this part. Here we have subject plus verb plus object. Okay, this is the rule of the sentence that we learned it before. So I answer this question as according to this rule. It will be here. This is a bag. Subject, verb, object. Okay, this is a bag. I think all of us know this rule. I teach you this rule before in the previous syllabus, and we answer many questions like this, and I told you that we must write this rule in the exam to answer this question in correct way. Okay, here is we say this is a pencil. Here we say this is a pencil. I say this is a pencil. This is a pencil. Let's go to the last sentence. Here it will be this is the book. After I end from the video, I will leave you the link of this book below the video to download it and answer this question again, to practice on this question again, grade 2. Here we say this is the bag, this is a pencil, this is a book. Okay. As we told you before, I know that we are still in summer vacation, but if we take 5 minutes to revise, it's not difficult to do so. Okay. Here we say, where is that? So here where I ask about what? Where I ask about what? Can you remember me the keywords where? To ask about what I explained the keywords question before and tell you everyone ask about what? Here ask about place. I'm listening you say this place. You are clever people because you are follow me on the videos and know this. So here where to ask about place. Okay. Grade 2, I hope to return to the videos of Connect and Connect Plus that I explained before on the channel to revise what I told before. Okay, it's important because the previous is related to what we took today. Okay, so we can return to the videos and revise what we told before. Okay, here we say rural. So I told you to keep the vocab. Why? Because we sometimes give you the letters is not in correct way or in not like rearrange to rearrange it again, and you can miss the letter and say what is the missing letter. So this depend on what? Depend on keeping the vocab. So keeping the vocab is important to keep it. Okay, there's no way to keep the vocab. You must keep the vocab. Here we say das. Here's what? Here is chair. So I will repeat the words: window, ruler, desk, and chair. Let's go to the another item here, which is phonics. I think we took phonics before in we know phonics before in Connect. Here we have pin, ten, hin. So here the pronunciation of en like this: pin, ten, hin. We have zip, fig, pin. Zip, fig, pin. I will repeat and repeat after me: bin, tin, bin, tin, bin, ten, hin. We have zip, fig, bin. So let's do this exercise. Here is to be here what? Here is bin. Here is ten. Here is zip. Here is what? Here is big. Here is I think big here. Here is red. Here is I think it's red. Here is red. Here's zip. Here is big and big and big. Okay, big and big. We write it big and big because they have the same meaning. But big here is an animal. Is an animal. Okay, this is an animal. Big here is an adjective. Okay, this is an adjective. Okay, this is the difference between big and big. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is the words I will repeat again to trace these words again. Here is pin, tin, hin, zip, pin, fig. Let's I answer two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as the homework. Okay, here is pin and here is zip. Okay, I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay, I will have know the words and I will leave it to do it by yourself. Let's go because I don't want to make the video long. Okay. Here is write to simple sentence about your classroom item. This is my pencil. This is a bag. So I can say, for example, this is we can say this is my notebook. For example, this is my notebook. This is my notebook. That is a chair. I write an example like the previous example here. That is the chair. That is the chair. We say this is my books. We say here this is my books. That is a cupboard, and so on. That is a cupboard. That is a cupboard. Cupboard. That is a cupboard. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say draw and label two objects see in your classroom. Here is like we take in Connect and we discover, we draw, we know something that we see in your life, and draw it here and describing the imagination or something that we see by drawing. Here we say write two objects you see in the classroom. So we can see board, can see chair, you can see books, notebooks. So here in this part, write two objects that we see in the classroom. Here is the schedule of your day. Here is we say what I did this week. So here we have the tasks that I do this week. Here is we say 1 star means this thing that I do only one. Here 2 stars mean twice a week. This means 3 a week. When we say I can use classroom words, so here is, for example, I say 2 stars. Here we say I can say hello and goodbye, 3 stars. I can talk about myself, this one in the star and 1 star. I can draw school, I can draw classroom objects. We have here 2 stars. So I leave this to do by yourself as a homework, okay? Because this is depend for everyone what we do these things, okay? Today, Unit 1 is finished. Next class, I will make a quick revise in Unit 1, then I start Unit 2. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.